Naija if I don't bring Ogbonge Bishop news story, my name Nnamdi. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey be say it just happened. The Speaker of House of Representatives, wey name be Abbas Tajuddin on Wednesday, December 3rd, 2024, don come open 484 halls of residence wey they donate give University of Lagos, and na the Chief of Staff to President wey be Femi Gbajabiamila na him build am, come dash and take give the University of Lagos, and na the University of Lagos management na they come out to come yarn this story on top their X handle. Family and friends don come dey vex as belle no sweet dem at all after one vigilante member shoot by 21-year-old man wey name be Kevin Onyekachi or Choka after one woman wey dem dey popularly call nurse come dey shout to say the boy na thief. Na so the vigilante wey hear say the woman dey shout thief come just jump from im fencing come shoot Kevin take by, but Kevin friend don come out come dey talk say Kevin no be thief say na because Kevin with the woman wey dem dey call nurse get small gbege, say because Kevin dey always dey play music for inside compound, say the music dey loud well say na made the woman come set Kevin off. Now be small gbege happen as 4 people dem don come by after wey some armed robbers dem burst enter inside Wisdom supermarket wey dey for Adehi Junction for one village for inside Abuja on Tuesday night. Na this gbege take happen wey be 2nd of January 2024 as the armed robbers dem enter inside the supermarket around 8:30 p.m. come thief plenty money.
Hey,
one suspect wey name be Ibrahim Salisu, 54 years old, Ogun State Calabar Police Command don come arrest am, say because he use machete take cut him brother take by wey the boy name be Malami Yellow, say because he don lace dey ask him brother say wan knack him brother anus and him brother no dey gree, wey oyibo dey call sex demand. The chairman of end of year transport subsidy wey be Dr. Dele Alake don come out to come yarn say more than 100,000 passengers na dey benefit for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu 50% reduction for transportation and also the free railway ride. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come yarn on Monday, January 1st, 2024 as he come talk say they budget more than 100 billion allocation wey they go use to take feed school children dem for inside 2024, and all the government school dem wey be say they dey for inside Nigeria na im they go feed the yarn this talk through wey be say im dey sign the 2024 budget. The First Lady of Nigeria wey be Senator Remi Tinubu and also the VP wife wey be Ajia Nana Shetima, they don go visit the ogbonge actor wey be Zach Orji for inside the international hospital wey dey for Abuja as they come yarn say make Nigerians make they pray for am say because he undergo brain surgery, and this gbege happen after wey Zach Orji fall collapse as they come rush am come go to the hospital on December 30th, 2023. For on top this video where they see the Lagos State Governor wey Babajide Sanwo-Olu as he come dey catch Okada riders them and the passengers them wey be say they carry wey dey follow one way for along that Lagos Badagry Expressway, as he come order say make they arrest the passengers them also and one soldier man wey they claim say him be soldier. Na so the governor talk say make they arrest am.
I'm a soldier, that's even the more reason. That's even the more reason I'm going to lock you up. That's even the more reason. You're telling me a soldier. That's even the more reason. I'm going to lock you up.
Come later, come they tell one woman now. Say the woman they enter Okada they run one way. Say if she fall now move by. Say they go say the governor don't come move by am. And na January 2nd, 2024 will be on Tuesday. 9 days kasala take happen.
Is it good? And they will not hit you. You go and fall and you die. They'll say government killed you. What a shame. And we all pray.
One man wey name be Michael Hostin don come post the picture of him and 2 of him wives dem wey be say him marry, as he come talk say na him enjoy pass for inside 2023, say because he married 2 most beautiful women dem as him wives and their name na Adepa Phil Hostin and also Dija Hostin. The Deputy Speaker of House of Representatives wey name be Benjamin Kalu don come out to come talk say that they make effort and plan to make sure say they go release the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra wey be Nnamdi Kanu from DSS prison. Now be small fighting between road safety officers them and Nigerian soldiers them for inside Abuja, but we never really know wetin cause this gbege as Nigerians they don come out come dey yarn say they no dey like to dey chook mouth for 2 brothers them fight. The Minister of Interior wey name be Dr. Olubunmi Tunji Ojo don come dey talk say dey very stupid for them to tell a married woman to travel go to the headquarter branch of Nigeria Immigration Office wey dey for Abuja before she go fit change her data. One Japan plane wey carry 367 passengers dem don catch fire on top the runway, and after we say im go jam the coast guard plane for that runway. Na dis gbege take happen on Tuesday, January 2nd, 2024, and after we say earthquake happen for inside Japan, na dis gbege again take happen. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.